Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to install this mini camera into the bird feeder. As you know, there are different kinds of feeder in the market. This is the one which designed for the camera, but you may don't have this kind of feeder. You can use this simple feeder hook up to hum up the feeder, or you even can using the pole to put the feeder outside. So how can we install the camera into different kind of bird feeder? Alright, before we move ahead, we need to know what we require to have a camera to watch the bird feeder. First, the camera needs to be waterproof. You see, the camera is going to stay different place in the environment. The rain or the sunshine is going to cook up the camera, so the camera has to be waterproof. The second thing is the lens of the camera needs to be adjustable. You see, when the camera facing to the object, very close object, the focus becomes very sensitive. If the camera is not designed for the bird feeder, it cannot get a clear image. It just have the fuzzy image. So in that case, you need to adjust the lens manually to have the best focus. Alright, I just have installed the camera into this bird feeder, and you can see this is the special bracket to hold the camera and attach the camera to the feeder. Now the camera has been hooked up to the Wi-Fi. I'm going to record a small video footage so you can see the live video from the camera. Now this is the live video. I put my hands. You can see it's pretty clear. Now the next thing I'm going to do is just take off the camera. I'm sure you may don't have this kind of bird feeder. I'm going to using the camera with this simple feeder hook up. I think I don't need the bracket because for this kind of feeder we using different bracket. I just need the camera. Okay, now you saw the camera is pretty tiny. What I'm going to do, just I have to put the camera and facing to the left, and later we can just put the feeder in front of the camera so the camera can watch the feeder directly. Okay, also the other side, just 2 screws, that will be enough. Right. Now the next thing to do is just to hum up the feeder to this hole up. So it's quite easy. Now I think I just put the camera upside down. Usually, that will be easy. Just roll up the bracket. Now we have the right image. So I'm going to record another video clip so you can see the performance of the camera. Alright, now I'm here. So if the focus is not correct, we always can open the cover to adjust the lens of the focus. The lens of this camera is adjustable. That's very important because the camera is going to watch very close objects. The focus could become very sensitive. It's easy to move the camera from this bird feeder to the simple feeder hook up. How about the pole? If we need to install a camera on the pole, we also need this band. The band will just hold the pole, and you need this platform to hold the camera. Alright, first let me just put the band to hunt the hook port. Okay, I also need to take the camera off from this simple hookup. You also need this bracket. You can attach the bracket to the camera before we attach the whole camera to the port. Okay, now it's ready. We need another screw. To fit, so this screw is going to fix the camera to the bank. Okay, the camera is ready. The last thing is just hunt this feeder to our port. Now let me see the live. I'm going to record another video so we can see the live from the camera. You can see now the feeder is movement. Alright, if the focus is not right, you always can open the cover, the front cover of the camera to adjust the lens. The lens is designed to be adjustable. That's very important for the camera to watch the feeder. Alright, that's all for today's video. If you have any question about how to install camera on your feeder, please leave a comment section below. See you next time.